Have you ever needed to safely image a hard drive or perform a forensic analysis on a computer? Paladin is one of the most powerful open-source tools for the job. And today, I'm going to show you how to create your own bootable Paladin USB drive using a great utility called Rufus. Before we start, you'll need three things. First, a USB flash drive with at least 32 gigabytes of space. Crucially, make sure you have backed up any important data from this drive, as this process will erase everything on it. Second, you'll need the Paladin ISO file. And third, we need the free Rufus utility. Let's grab the necessary files. Links will be in the description below. First, open your web browser and go to the official Sumuri website at sumuri.com. You will need to be signed in with an account. Hover over Software and click on Paladin. Click on Download Paladin and choose the Paladin version you want to install. LTS is recommended. Select your organization type and click on the checkbox before adding it to your cart. Proceed through checkout and download the latest version of the Paladin ISO. Next, we'll download Rufus. Open a new tab and go to rufus.ie. Scroll down to the download section and grab the latest version. The portable version is great because you don't even need to install it. Okay, with both files downloaded, extract the ISO from the Paladin zip folder into a known folder. Keep this location in mind as we will refer to it later on. Go ahead and plug in your USB drive into your computer. Now, find the Rufus program you just downloaded and double-click to open it. If Windows asks for permission, just click Yes. This is the main Rufus window. First, under Device, make absolutely sure your 32 gigabyte USB drive is selected. If you have multiple drives plugged in, be extra careful here. Next, for boot selection, click the Select button and find the Paladin ISO file you extracted earlier. For Paladin LTS, make sure that the partition scheme is set to GPT. If you want to install Paladin 32, set it to MBR. The rest of the settings should be correctly set automatically by Rufus. Once you've confirmed the correct device and selected the ISO, click Start. Rufus will give you one final warning that all data on the USB will be destroyed. This is your last chance to back anything up. Click OK to continue. Now, Rufus will begin writing the image to your drive. This can take a few minutes. Once the status bar turns green and says ready, you're all done. You can now click Close, and that's it. You now have a fully functional, bootable Paladin USB. To use it, you'll need to restart the computer you want to analyze, enter its boot menu, and select to boot from the USB drive. The key to enter the boot menu is usually F12, Escape, Delete, or F10, but it varies by manufacturer. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.